Okay guys, so right here I have my 2020 Honda CRV Hybrid EXL edition. uh, I just got this car like 3 weeks ago. As you guys can see, the back windows are darker than the original ones. So by factory, the back ones come tinted at around 20, and what I did is I added 5 over that, 5%, so it's darker. And in the front I added a 20, so it's 20 and 5. But it's still visible, you get to still see, so it looks good. What I've also done is I added the white LEDs right here instead of the regular yellow ones that it has, yellow bulbs. And that's for the back, and in the trunk too there's 2. I'll show you guys that in a bit. I also added this steering wheel cover that I got on Amazon. You have to stitch it on, so I like this because it feels a lot better. The heat function still works over that, and you know, sometimes my hands are dirty, and I don't want to mess up the steering wheels. I like the feel of this a lot more. I've had this in some of my other cars that I've had, and it lasts us a good while. Never had any problems with it or anything like that, so I always put this on it. What I've also added is a dash cam, so you really can't see it, but there's a dash cam that is right here. As soon as I turn the car on, that's when the dash cam turns on, and this is the power source. So as soon as I turn the car on, that's where it gets its power, and the cable is just running through the bottom and then through in here up the top, and that's the dash cam. So right now this is the front one, right? So you guys could see the front, you see the fan in the front, but there's also one in the back. So you guys see the house in the back, which is the house in the back, and it's right there. That's the dash cam. I'll take you guys to it. Up here in the front, that's it. Just got these mats. Took them off my other car. I had the Honda Insight, and I had these in them. They fit good right here. These are like the all-weather ones. I really like those. But yeah, for the back dash cam, the wire is running through the top, and it is so through in there. I had to put the wire just in there, get it in through here. This was really hard to put it inside there, that USB wire, and then it's power right there. So yeah, so when I'm driving, I'm getting footage of what's happening in the front, what's happening in the back. I like that. I've had some problems, you know, like where I get hit or stuff like that, or I just see some crazy things. Like sometimes driving here in Los Angeles, you see crazy stuff, and those are really good to have them around. Another thing that I did was in here where you get your fix kit to fix your flat tire. This cover has like this big box attached to it, and it's empty. You can't put anything in it, and that box goes all the way to the bottom of where the little pump is at and everything. And yeah, you can't do anything. There's like, it's all empty space. So I cut it off, and then I have all this space right here, you know, think I have some like toilet paper and, you know, extra socks, you know, flashlight with tools, etc. You know, just to have a little bit more storage, because the battery on the hybrid ones and the hybrid cars is it's all back here on that area. So you really don't get a lot of storage, in my opinion. Also, if you lift this up, there's empty places down there. So what I did, I put like jumping wires, like a little shovel, some gloves, a rope. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a rope just in case I get stuck somewhere. They could pull me. Right here I have one of those AC to, or is it AC to DC adapters, or DC to AC? I forgot what it is. But yeah, so I do go camping, I do go outdoors, and sometimes having this kind of things helps out. So what I'm doing right now is, let me turn the car off. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm waiting for the FedEx guy. He is not coming. That's why I decided to start this video. But basically, I ordered some roof rails, and you guys can see I started taking that one apart already. So some roof rails and the crossbars. They were like 200 bucks on eBay. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll make a separate video on how to install it. Right now I'm really enjoying this car. Again, I had the Insight. I had a 2019 Insight. It was really good on miles per gallon. I think I averaged around 47. I had the Touring edition, and but I wanted something a little bit big, so hopefully in the winter and in the summer, upcoming summer, I could go camping, go more outdoors. So yeah, we'll see what other upgrades I do to it. I'm a little obsessed right now with trying to find a lift kit to lift it about, like, I think I found some that are about 1.5 inches, and then getting some other tires or rims and tires, but I'm not sure if I'll really do that. But right now I'm averaging around 37 miles per gallon with this car, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'll post a video on my roof rails, but thanks for watching.